Hello, me fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed, today YDM Amalgamator, which is a dentist tool. They use it when they do a filling, old school one. They put a small thingy right in here, a capsule, and then the whole thing shakes, so they prepare the filling with it. I know it doesn't work. I had it for a long time, and when I tested, it didn't work. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's just confirm that it's not working. So I got low speed, high speed, low speed, high speed, and the time. So when I press start, it's supposed to shake the capsule, but nothing happens. So it might have a protection of the lid here, or it might be the button, or it might be the controller, or it might be the whole thing is meant to shake a capsule, so maybe something fell apart on the inside. The exact model number is YDM Pro Amalgamator. Let's have a look. Phillips screwdriver. I'll lift up the whole thing a little bit. Let's see what we got. We got a power supply for the motor, and we have a controller, and then right here I think that's something like, yeah, proximity switch. So is the switch meant to be switching? Maybe. If it's a switch, it's meant to be switching. Let's have a look. What is this thing doing? Well, say we expect something to be changing. First, my guess is here, because this thing is being constantly closed and open, and then it will be the start and stop button. Now let's have a look. Can we undo this? Maybe. Hello? don't know how exactly a proximity sensor switch works, so let's have a look here. So I might check the internet. Let's see if we can check the switch as well, the button. Forty ohms. Let's check this one here. 60 ohms, so the button is working perfectly fine. Let me just put that rubber back before the whole thing falls apart. There we go, the rubber's back. Let's have a look. These probes are not exactly the best ones. Okay, so the lid is closed. Between the brown and the black we got open line. And between the brown and the blue we got 480 ohms. Between the blue and the black one we got nothing. Okay, let's open it like so. Between the brown and the black we got nothing. Now we don't have 480, we got open. $408. So I think it's exactly the same measurement. It is, yeah. Okay, I'll just watch a short video on what readings I have to expect here, and I'll start the video again. I started watching but I couldn't find anything, but when I was looking for the model here, I saw that, I don't know if you can see it. Right there it says brown, it's 12 to 44 volts DC, blue it's 0, and the black is the output. So let's measure what voltages we got. So I'll switch it on. Where's the cable? Okay, we need to be careful because here it's gonna be 240 volts. Okay, let's measure the voltages. Between the brown and the blue, just close the lid. Five volts. 5 volts. Let's close it now. 5 volts. 5 volts again. 5 volts. 5 volts. Can't see no difference. Can't see nothing. This light comes up. Is it supposed to be on all the time? We'll figure it out. Let's check some voltages. So we know the board is live because it lights up. So these voltages here are okay. The relay might be bad for the motor. So we got 4 little diodes for the board probably, and then 4 diodes for the motor. It works from 24 volts. So we're looking for 24 volts on this controller board. I think what we can do is flip the board around and measure what we got on that relay. Okay, so we're looking for 24 volts right there. I'm gonna press the start button. Nothing. So the voltage is not coming to the motor, and I'm not hearing the relay clicking as well. We need a relay to be clicking so it can send power to the motor. Let's see what is happening here. We got the power from these 2 diodes, so we got positive here, negative here. Should I switch it off? Yeah, switch it off. Five volts, 30 volts, let's see what voltages we got on this up here. Okay, let's switch it on. Not showing nothing. 5 volts, 5 volts, 5 volts. So you got 5 volts on all the lines right here. 5 volts power. There we go. Hold on, just to make sure. 5, okay. Let's have a look. We got 5 here as well. None. Let's have a look here. No spark. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. So if we got nothing coming from the transformer, let's follow where the 5 volts are coming from. Because I think we need to have something coming from the transformer. Is it? Yeah, it's maybe. Because that's before the diodes. $30, yeah, there we go. 28. We got voltage coming. Okay, so the voltages here are okay. So the 5 volt voltage for the controller board is okay. Voltages here are okay. Let's measure the voltages on that relay. We need to have 24 volts coming to the relay. And if 24 volts are coming to the relay, it might be the relay the problem. Because the relay might not be sending. I don't know which one are the pins for the 14 volts. 14. Is there a pin on? 10 amps, 25 volts, 30 volts DC. Okay, let's have a look. Give me a second, I'll have a look on the board and I'll tell you what's going on. A day later, I had a look. It needs a voltage on that relay. It needs 5 volts on the relay to send 25 volts to the motor, but it needs this proximity switch to be working. So I made a little bridge right here to bypass the proximity sensor, and now where is my power? Now it's working okay. There we go. So what I'm gonna do, I'll leave the bypass on, so it doesn't, so it's bypassing the door. I don't think whoever is using it will mind. And yeah, everything else is working fine. It's working on high, on low. The counter is working okay. So that was the problem, the proximity switch right there. So this proximity switch, or leave it bypassed, was not working okay, and it needs voltage on the other side of the board so the chip can send the 5 volts through the little transistors here to that relay. Otherwise everything else is working. I even bypass the relay with the screwdriver and worked fine. Yeah, I'll just put everything back together, but that was the problem with it. Okay, let's start putting everything back together then. Let's see now. I got a little bit electrocuted. Was putting it back together. One screw left, but should be okay. Let's see now. Where's the power? Why would you not put the plus on the right? Very strange to increase on the left. $35, 40, 41 minute maybe on the high. You can stop it before you open it. Okay, so YDEM amalgamator, that's how to fix it. If you got a similar problem, this is what you can check. I hope the video was helpful to you. Like, subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.